Hey YouTubers, this is Vibing with Chiquita. I'm back again. I did a little Subway short mukbang, but now I'm just gonna give y'all a little story time. Talk to y'all, vibe with y'all. Y'all see my shirt say it's survived. That's what I said in the other video, but yeah. Just bring y'all a part 2. That's all. Drinking me a ginger ale. Still eating all my food. Make enough. So how y'all doing on this good old Friday? TGIF. It is Friday. Face feel like it's getting fat again. Oh man, it's too fat. Yeah, I'm getting fat. And these sea salt and vinegar chips are so good. I'm telling y'all. If I use my favorite word, you better get your some. Today was a good day at work. For the most part. Had a little downtime today. Yep. It's Friday, but I have to work tomorrow. And there you go. It's Saturday. I'm gonna do a 6 to 3. That's all. I still gotta get used to getting up at being to work at 6 in the morning on a Saturday. But hey, go in early, get off early. I'm not gonna mess y'all. Alright, but I'll bring y'all a little Subway mukbang. Hold on for a minute. When I'm working on, excuse me. Woo! Yep. Just give me a little mukbang. It's good. I wanted to go somewhere today, but that's not gonna happen up today. Got some things I'm trying to get situated. Oh boy. You sure gotta come up under me when I'm eating. So good. It's a vibe. I'm not sure to say it's a vibe. It's a vibe. I'm sorry, I hate when you put on pants and a shirt. Okay, now y'all can see me. I mean, I ain't small, but I ain't super big either. But as soon as I sit down, my jeans take my stomach and they go all uphill when I'm sitting down. Like that is so uncomfortable. Ooh, excuse me for burping. Like, Lord Jesus. I'm already wailing down up top. I think that's the word they use. I don't need nothing else pushed up in here and then be all the way up to my neck. Excuse me, kids. But yeah. Yes, they good. Y'all probably say, shit, every time she do the video, when she ain't got the stop on, she always touching her hair. And I do. But yeah, y'all know I touch my hair too much. I don't know how I do. Mm-mm-mm. Wow. Mm-mm-mm. I love you. It's a vibe. Mm-mm-mm. 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 I hate when food get all over your teeth or your gums. Mm. Let me get them a longer little mukbang. Get y'all a little short little mukbang. I was like, in and out, in and out. Yeah, but I sure put this in the toaster. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. Ooh. Ooh, now. Ooh, that home. But yeah, tell me something, y'all. Am I the only one that do this? But y'all too. Go to Subway, order me a foot-long cold cut on Italian over cheese. I get all my little stuff I want on there. Yeah, get my bread, get provolone cheese, get it toasted. And all my stuff I want on it. Come home, put it in this toaster oven so it can be warm when I eat it. I'm not crazy. Oh, really? But tell you what, it be so good. I ain't gonna lie. It be so good. I said, how she go to Subway and ask for Italian, a cold cut now. The keyword cold cut on Italian over cheese. But come home and put it in the toaster oven so it can be warm. Make that make sense? Make it make sense. Yeah, I'm a trip, y'all. Yep. I'm a trip. It was good though, but I definitely burnt my bread well. I'm definitely gonna eat it. Another one. Here we are. Got me off. It's okay. Oh, and bread been toasted too. Got a cold cut sandwich to go home and eat it hot. Who do that? Nobody but me. I'm gonna be making a mess. I'm gonna make a mess. Oh Lord Jesus. We're so quiet in here today. For now. Y'all got a good little story time coming tomorrow. It's about relationships and some other things. But I'm gonna let y'all know. I'm gonna get some of y'all feedback now, some of y'all input in on some things. You know, boy, I tell you. Yes. And I seen when my elbows on the table. I remember when I was little. It was like, y'all get y'all elbows off the table. That's not y'all supposed to eat your elbows on the table. Ooh, you mean y'all do that? Ooh, excuse me, y'all. Better out there. But yeah, I hope you guys having had an amazing day, and I hope y'all weekend be even amazing. I'm gonna sign out on this video. Whatever y'all do between the day and time y'all to go back to work on Monday, enjoy it, be safe, stay blessed, and all that good stuff. And I'll catch you guys on the next. Oh, your video. Bye-bye.